Everybody knows the disappointment. In my case, the despair of making so many presentations with no conversions and then going to somebody else saying, I made such a great presentation. Well, if I made such a great presentation, why didn't they enroll? Why didn't they buy? The reason is I made a discovery in 1993 that the content in the presentation is virtually meaningless. What has to happen is you've got to bring them into a place called the hero's journey. We're doing a 4-day, 4-hour-a-day workshop. We're actually going to work with you hands-on, and your presentations will be so enrapturing, they're ready to buy and ready to join before you get to the end, and we'll teach you how to close early. So go ahead and opt in now, get your teammates there too, share this with people whose success you care about, because you're going to have a little bit of homework to do. This is a real course. Peace be the journey. Opt in today and build a presentation with us that converts. Peace out.